Hallo, ich bin Lisa.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I blog on meinfeenstaub.com about creative do-it-yourself ideas that anybody can replicate at home. And I love taking pictures. I'm going to show you a creative DIY idea for instant image fans using the new Shacoklla foam panels for the FujiFilm Instax Mini. You can stick your Instax Mini snaps on these self-adhesive panels and design totally imaginative wall mosaics. Here's how you do it. I'm using the Shacoklla foam panels and the Instax Mini 9 with colour filter lens attachments. They are available in 4 different colours and are very easy to switch. I've just been outside looking for amazing subjects to photograph. I took my pictures with the 4 different colour filter lenses and now I'm going to use them for our colour gradient mosaic. I am using the Shacoklla panels in Instax Mini format. There are 5 panels in each box and sticking them to your wall is easy. I remove the backing film from one of the 2 sides, then take one of my Instax Mini pictures. I press down and it sticks. Peel back the other side to attach it to the wall. I now do this with all the photos that I took, and then I can start to compose my wall mosaic. Once you have stuck all of your Instax Mini pics in all colours to the Shacoklla foam panels, you can start to compile your creative colour gradient wall mosaic. Here's how. Sort your photos by colour, line them up and stick them on your wall. Your colourful wall mosaic will look awesome once it's finished. You can do this with as many snaps as you like. The great thing is, when you get a new idea or want to change something, it's so easy to take the pictures off the wall with the Shacoklla foam panels. They don't leave any residue and are super simple to reattach. Did you like my idea? Hopefully I've inspired you to create your own colourful wall mosaic. Have fun letting your creativity run wild with Shacoklla.